Hey, it's Sylvia Dana with EXP Realty in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I'm super excited. I really, truly am, because we just got done with this great mastermind session. So I'm here with Amanda Lehman from Stockton Mortgage and also Adam DeVore from Select Finishes. And if you didn't know, you can actually renovate a house that you're going to buy. That's just one example. So what we're talking about is 203K loans with FHA, conventional, VA loans, RD loans. So you could be like one of those buyers on an HGTV show.
That's right.
Check out a property, say, you know what, it needs this, or it needs this repair, or I wish it had a, slider door outside or something. And we can actually put that together, because guess what? We have a builder who's available, who's actually...
Say it again, Sylvia.
He's available.
Yeah.
Adam's
he
available.
has time.
And
Time, guys.
time and people.
And manpower.
Awesome. And so he can actually, what would happen is you would actually have a team, a realtor to help you see the properties, or if you have a house, list your property and promote this type of financing. You've got an awesome lender who's going to help manage, figure out the right product for you as a buyer, what type of loan it would be, how to put it together. And then you've got a builder who's actually going to just do the work. And it's just amazing. So Adam actually has been through this process himself as a buyer.
Yes.
So when you did this, Adam, what was the best thing about it? What was the best thing about it?
One of the best things about it was I was able to get the wish list that my wife wanted,
Oh.
and we did it without any out-of-pocket expenses for the most part. Like, we were able to just put the down payment on the loan and then have the bank or the lender take care of
That's awesome.
the financing and the contract.
And so when you, as a builder, when you experience this yourself, you're like, wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. We can
Yes.
help more people with this,
Definitely.
and leading
That's
to
right.
that, helping more people with this type of product. Amanda, you do these a lot. This is kind of your keystone thing.
Yeah.
So what makes you so passionate about this 203K product or this renovation product?
We are able to help people create the home that they want. And especially in a low inventory market, this is perfect. And the bottom line is that people don't know this exists. And so I love that Adam experienced it firsthand. So our job is to let the community know that this is something that we can do to help them, and they can come into a home and make it their own. They can make it their own.
It's great. I love it. So we're just sharing more to come, more news to come. So if you have any questions about doing a renovation home loan, or even refinancing to be able to do a renovation, let us know, and we're here to help. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.